Global Connections examines the way beliefs and policies among world cultures affect one another.
Global connections are very important to social studies, and it's become even more important today since our population is so international. Children come with languages, so we are a global community.
We said a community is a group
of people
who
work together.
Who live.
To illustrate Global Connections, Eileen Mesmer links her discussion of world culture to the community.
Remember that book that we looked at?
Madelinka.
And what was she doing?
Taller.
Amanda, what was she doing?
Telling everybody.
Telling everybody in about her loose tooth. And where? Who was she visiting?
People around the world.
Michael, who was she visiting?
People around the world.
And they were saying buongiorno, and they were saying ciao, and they were saying, what else were they saying? Hola. They were saying hola. That's right.
Our theme this session was communities. And so we began by talking about what is a community, who are the kinds of people that we meet in our community, and that brought us on to the question of, is everyone in our community the same? And they all said no. And then it was, does everyone in our community celebrate the same way? And their answer was no. And I presented the question to them, well, we're going to be celebrating communities from all around the world. Your job is to find the one thing that is the same in all of those communities.
Global Connections gets at the ways in which people are connected globally, the ways in which the actions and beliefs and policies of people in other parts of the world affect us, and the ways in which we can affect others.
Every day, in every classroom across America, the classroom is very, very diverse. Students come into the classroom from all over this world, and the global connections are there. If we're talking about getting to know one another, we can begin within that early learning classroom. People bring different perspectives and different cultures to the classroom, and that's a good place to begin to understand others who are different from ourselves.
In Boston, these 4th and 5th graders are exposed to global experiences and events. Darlene Jones-Inge encourages them to take action and make a positive contribution.
We've been doing some reading about some problems that exist in the world. Can someone share with me a problem that we talked about just last week? I read this great article on the internet about the children in Chile and the terrible effects of the ozone layer and how these kids are really suffering. And they were able to relate to that. Why? Why are these people having this problem with sunburn? Robin?
There is a hole in the ozone layer near Punta Arena, so when the sun beats down, the ozone layer is not there to protect the sun, so it beats down too much and some people get burned.
Something that we can do to help is we can send suntan lotion over to Punta Arena.
All right, so that's a worldly problem. Let's move.
Teachers often capitalize on helping students to appreciate global connections by exploring places that other students have come from, the cultural values and traditions of those places, and showing sometimes what causes people to move from one part of the world to another. So there are examples all around children of global connections.
We want the bad guys off the street so the people will live in a happy world.